Hello students, we will discuss a instrument which is again very commonly used in day-to-day surgical practice, maybe by general surgeon, pathology surgeon or any surgeon as such whenever needed. What this instrument is, look at that, there is a handle here, cup is here. One cup is little smaller, other side, opposite side, cup is little bigger. So different two sizes are there in this stout, very stout handle, strong it, very good hold is there, it won't slip. So what is this instrument? It is Volkmann's scope. You know that many Volkmanns are there. Volkmann ischemic contracture, Volkmann's scope. So many Volkmanns are there. Volkmanns from Germany designed this one. They designed mainly to scoop sinus cavities, ulcer bed, granulation tissue. While placing the skin graft, you clear the granulation tissue so that you can put the graft. Sinus cavities, ulcer bed, different places it is used, especially in the surface diseases as such. Ulcer bed in many areas. So this is a Volkmann scope commonly kept in Oxy. Viva they will ask. So mainly practical exam. This scope may be kept. You should remember this one. And Volkmann bone scope is different, which is mainly used by the orthopedic surgeon while doing bone graft and also to scoop the bone cavities, different places. So this is difference between the Volkmann's scoop, bone scoop and Volkmann's scoop, tragical general scoop, where used to in the general surgery as such. So I just wanted to put this one as a different meaning, how exactly it is. So answer this MCQ, identify this instrument, what this instrument is. See that? So it's bone scoop, aneurysm needle, port closure needle, tonsillectomy needle. Student, please comment and put your answer in the comment box, and next lecture I will give the correct answer and have a brief discussion. So go through my clinical method in surgery with the examination videos, manual of surgery detail extensively with the illustrations, my theory textbook, and operative surgery, every operative step is given detail, tissue approximation suturing with the video, how to do a tissue approximation, video lectures, everything covered of undergraduate, CBM, syllabus, everything through JP publishers. You can always purchase and for a year and go through that, have better knowledge. So students, I hope this instrument you understood very well. Thank you very much.